Hey world, welcome to Star. Today we're diving into how Whop can help anyone earn online. Let's shine together. What is Whop? Whop is a marketplace where creators sell digital products. Think courses, software, or access to exclusive communities. Anyone can sign up, browse the Discover page, and find something that fits their goals. Whether it's learning a new skill or starting a side hustle. It's all about connecting people with opportunities. For example, some communities on Whop focus on trading, while others offer content creation tips or even gaming strategies. The variety is huge, so there's something for everyone looking to grow. Here's how Whop works. Sign up, pick a product, like a trading community or a content creation course, and get instant access. Payments are smooth, and for those looking to sell, Whop charges just a 3% fee per sale, which is lower than most platforms. Many creators use Whop to sell their own digital products, like templates or apps, and start earning fast. Let's break it down further. Imagine someone interested in trading. They can join a community on Whop, get access to a Discord server, and learn from experts sharing daily tips. Or if someone's into graphic design, they can buy templates to speed up their work. On the selling side, creators can set up their own store in minutes, add products like courses or software, and reach a global audience. Whop handles payments, taxes, and even customer support, making it a hassle-free way to start an online business. What you can find on Whop. Whop offers a wide range of products for all kinds of interests. There are communities for crypto trading, where experts share daily market insights. Others focus on entrepreneurship, offering courses on starting a business or scaling an online store. For creatives, there are templates for graphic design, video editing, or even social media content. Gamers can find communities with pro-level tips or access to exclusive servers. There's also software for things like automation tools or analytics, which can help streamline workflows. Whatever the goal, learning, earning, or connecting, Whop has something to offer all in one place. Here are some tips to get started on Whop. First, explore the Discover page to find products that match your interests. Filter by categories like business, gaming, or design. Second, join a community to connect with experts and learn faster. Many offer free trials, so it's low risk. Third, if you're a creator, set up a store by adding a product. It takes less than 10 minutes. Use high-quality images and descriptions to attract buyers. Finally, engage with the Whop community for support and ideas. There's even a blog and Whop University for extra guidance. These steps make it easy to start learning or earning right away. What makes Whop stand out? It's a one-stop shop for learning and earning. Communities offer expert advice, courses teach valuable skills, and sellers can reach a wide audience. The platform is user-friendly, and support is always there if needed. It's a solid choice for anyone wanting to level up or build an online income. Whop also integrates with tools like Discord for community access, which makes it easy to connect with like-minded people. Plus, the Discover page helps new users find trending products, so there's always something fresh to explore. It's no wonder why so many creators and learners are turning to Whop to achieve their goals. Now let's explore why digital marketplaces like Whop are shaping the future of online earning. Digital products are shaping the future of earning and learning online. They're things like courses, software, or community access that anyone can buy or sell from anywhere. Why are they so powerful? They're scalable. Create once, sell forever. They're accessible. Someone in a remote village can learn coding or trading with just an internet connection. They also empower creators to turn their skills into income, whether it's a graphic designer selling templates or a gamer sharing strategies. Plus, digital products foster communities where people connect, share ideas, and grow together. It's a movement that's making opportunities endless for anyone with a passion or a laptop. Ready to explore Whop? Head to whop.com, link in the description. If this video helped, give it a like and share your thoughts on Whop in the comments. Thanks for watching. Stay shining with Star.